my channel, and today I am doing an unboxing of this company that I have found on Instagram, and I've seen a couple YouTube channels do an unboxing of it, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I decided to order it. So this company is called Fabfitfun, and it's a seasonal subscription. So they send you a box full of goodies based on beauty, fashion, fitness, and wellness. So when you first sign up on the company, you take a survey based on things that you like in those fields, and they will come up with a box together. Sometimes you can pick certain things that you would like in that box. And some of the stuff is a surprise. So each box is usually worth over $200, and they are full-size products, which is pretty cool. And so with the seasonal boxes, you could either do an annual subscription, or you could do a seasonal subscription. So the annual subscription is you pay one time a year, and it is $180 for that year. You'll get 4 boxes, fall, summer, winter, spring, and either you'll pay the seasonal subscription, which is $50, and you will get it every fall, summer, winter, and spring. So this is the box that it comes in. Okay, here we go. How cute is that? They think of everything. Okay, so when you first open the box, it has a little magazine called Fabfitfun, and cool. It's a little lifestyle magazine, a girl little lifestyle magazine. And then the next thing I see is an umbrella with floral designs. It's cute. I think I did choose this. They had 2 options, so I chose this one. And what girl doesn't need an umbrella? Pretty cool. I'm not going to open it because you guys know what an umbrella looks like. Okay. The next thing I see is a beauty blender. It is a full-size beauty blender, and I got the black one. You guys can see. The next thing I got is from this company called Skin & Co. Roma. It's a blue and capri shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Limited edition, Italian collection. I don't know if you guys can, if it's blurry for you guys. Here you go. Let's smell it. I guess I better take it off. Ooh, it's kind of like piney. I was supposed to say basil, but of course I just wrote basil to you guys. Ooh. The next product is going to be this Medalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in the color Penny. Ooh, cool. So it's 2-sided. One is like a matte and one is a like glittery. we can do a test of it. Oh, I don't like that. It comes out weird. Ooh, that is beautiful. Can you guys see? That is supposed to be like the matte side. Ooh, that one came out better. Let's put that back in the box. Okay, so the next thing we have is this Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. Cool. It's designed, it's striped. It's a gray towel, gray and white towel. Well, a white towel with gray stripes. Who doesn't love Glam Glow? These are oxygenated deep cleansing mask from Glam Glow. It glows, it oxygenates, detoxifies, purifies, face makeup remover. Oxygen. Oh, it's repeating it in a different language. I was like, what? So I got 2 of these. Glam Glow mask. I think I may try those tonight. Green tea teoxy. Green tea leaf teoxy. Okay. The next thing we got is it kind of opened. Oh, it's on. A Hydro Restore Cream Cleanser, Olive Leaf Plantago, Extract. Looks like a cream. No, a cleanser, sorry. It removes makeup, cleanses and conditions delicate face skin without dehydrating or irritating, leaving it looking smooth, purified, and perfectly prepared for moisturizing. Ooh, I think this is gonna be cool. It's free from skin aging. Free from skin aging toxins, and we're not gonna read that. Okay, the next thing I got in the box is a French press coffee maker. I have a Keurig, so I thought this was cool to get, and I might gift it to somebody, like my mom, because she loves coffee, and she loves the loose coffee. So she's that person that uses that old style type of coffee maker. So I think this would be cool for her to have as a cool gift. I'm not gonna open it because, well, maybe I will open it because I'm giving it to my mama. Cute. But first, coffee. So you put the coffee, I believe, at the bottom, and then you fill it up with water. You let it sit for a little bit, and then you press it down. So the last thing in this box is a bag. I chose to get the black one. Ooh. And it's this cute little shoulder bag. It's very cute. It's very cute inside. I like it. I like the design. It's from this company called Vince Camito. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this unboxing of Fabfitfun. I hope to catch you guys in the next video. Please subscribe and like my channel and follow me on Tawana Fit on Instagram.